In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M52 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this device. Firstly, open Play Store, click on the search bar and type Samsung voice recorder. Following that, you need to download this free app from Samsung developer and open it. Now choose while using the app and tap on Allow. Then click on this red button to start your recording. You can pause it and unpause it by tapping on the same red button. But if you wish to save it and end it, you need to click on the square one. Now name your recording however you wish to and just save. Then, to access a list of all your recording from this main screen, you need to click on List at the top right corner. If you wish to delete your recording, you need to hold it, click on Delete All over here, and confirm your choice by tapping on Move to Recycle Bin. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!